Hello everyone, welcome back. So आज चाहिँ हामी causative verbs को MCQ हरु solve गर्न गइरहेका छौं. This is extremely important for your bridge course. अनि अब यसमा हामी के हेर्छौं भने how we can put the verbs in the correct place अनि like causative verbs हरु कसरी तिनीहरु question हरु आउँछ and how do we deal with it. So starting on the first question. The sunshine made me dash of our trip to Mexico. The sunshine made me. What do we see is made me. यहाँ चाहिँ causative verb भनेको त त्यस्तो भयो नि त जसले like काम गराउने गर्छ. So as we see here it is made, so we use the sunshine made me think of our trip to Mexico. Now the second question that we have is I had my hair dashed last night. I had my hair trimmed, trimming. यसमा चाहिँ what do we see is I had my hair, which means like last night उले यो काम गरेको थियो. So I had my hair trimmed last night and trimming last night. More than trim and trimming, किनभने trimming like भइरहेको भयो, trim भनेको trim भयो, तर trimmed भनेको चाहिँ last night गरेको थियो, had लागेको छ, so we use trimmed. Then the next question that we have is I am going to dash after the concert. Have me picked up, have him to pick me up, have him pick me up. यसमा चाहिँ के छ भने म concert पछि I will want that person to pick me up. So पहिलो कुरा चाहिँ के आयो भने it will be pick me up. Now either it's this, either it's this. यो दुईटा यो चाहिँ हुँदैन. अब यसमा हामी के हेर्छौं भने have him to pick me up, have him pick me up. यो दुईटामा कुन हुन्छ त? I am going to have him pick me up after the concert. We have already used here to, going to, so we will use have him pick me up. Now moving on to the next question that we have. He is going to dash next week. Have fixed his car, have his car fixed, have his car fixed. यहाँ के हुन्छ भने he is going to मतलब उ जान वाला छ आफ्नो like उले आफ्नो कार फिक्स गराउँछ next week. So the correct answer for here will be he is going to have his car fixed. अब why have his car fixed? किनभने this is talking about next week. अनि he is going to do this next week, so that is why we use it have his car fixed. Moving on to the next question.